So the Roland TD17, in my opinion, is a great kit for a beginner for sure, but it's also very, very usable as an advanced drummer. I wouldn't consider myself an advanced drummer, but I do play out occasionally. And the sounds that are inside of the Roland TD17 are, in my opinion, usable. They're not the best, but they are far away from the worst electronic drum sounds that I have ever heard. It's a very reasonably priced kit that is going to sound pretty decent live. There's lots of different drum sounds that you can choose from. I don't use 80% of them, but the 20% that are in there that I like are very usable. I especially like the Arena stage kit. Sounds like a big open stage, pretty cool. You can also add new drum sounds to it, and you can also hook it up to your computer when you're recording and trigger it through something to make it sound unbelievably good in recording scenarios. So for those things, it's perfect. And the reason I went with the 17 is because it comes with actual hi-hats. Those fake hi-hat pedals, I have never found an electronic kit with those fake hi-hat pedals, one, that lasted long. That pedal usually dies on you. And two, it just doesn't feel like a real hi-hat. There's just no replacement for an actual hi-hat stand, in my opinion. And it's very customizable. You can move it around. You can add cymbals to the setup. If you want a little bit more cymbals, you can add double bass pedal. It's very, very cool. Now, this is going to sound absolutely terrible through this little microphone, but hopefully you can kind of get the idea. Like I said, actually in live performances, you put this through a PA system where you can tweak it a little bit, and it is usable in my opinion. It's very versatile. It's the only one that actually still feels like a real drum set that is also reasonably priced. You can hook it into your laptop and get amazing results out of it for recording by triggering the MIDI coming out of this into your recording program. I can't say enough nice things about this. This is one that I use and that I would absolutely recommend.